No gunshots, but they getting low, low, low.
Guys, welcome to like Glitch Film, and today, me and Bobcat, of course, are going to be playing White Noise again. Okay, we're just gonna start it, I guess. But sorry for like the White Noise things, crap like that. It's just been a little bit more interesting to us. But don't worry, I'll be getting back into like Shadow Mordor. I'll keep doing that. Flashlight off, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna get into Shadow Mordor, Grand Theft Auto, everything.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
What place is this?
Not this map again.
Is it? Wait, is it hangar or like?
It's a bunker again.
Oh God! I'm gonna die.
I remember what happened last time.
Wait, this looks like a place where everyone would be. This looks like a train.
You know what? We like one day we should try filming Stop the Thunder because you know I've learned tricks.
Well, it's hard to do because it's on computer.
I know. Yeah, you see, this is what I love. It's sort of like someone to make like a game mode, like a Slender game multiplayer. I would love that. I would genuinely love that. Like, you know, you're some developer right now watching this video. You make one multiplayer. You're gonna get a lot of likes because you know I love playing Slender games. Make it like a mechanic where he'll be there or he'll not be there. Make it like a random location set so you never know where he's gonna be, and it'll change.
Yeah, I doubt a developer's watching this. Okay, so just
yeah, I know.
All right.
Talk bad. Go get it over there.
We're trying to find the tapes, and you were the only one with the flashlight, so. Yeah. Dude, this guy's just gonna come out and kill us now because like we're the researchers that haven't even found it yet.
What the hell's wrong with you?
I'm over here. Wait, where the fuck are you?
Where
the fuck are you? Oh, there you are. Turn on. This way.
Where are you, Slender? Oh, okay. I'm a limited motherfucker. Okay. Well, anyways,
let's go down the hallway. Just a closed door.
Running down the hallway.
I'm gonna die in here. I'm gonna die in here. This is just like where I'm gonna die, Bobby.
I can picture him like grabbing you and me screaming like, "What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?"
Flying around a corner, just says delicious.
Yeah, like you go fly around the corner and I hear you scream and it just says you died. Oh, that would be scary. Oh, that would be freaking scary.
Where the hell are these tapes at? Holy crap. I'm trying to listen for them and I can't hear crap.
Great, we're gonna end up like last time. Well, if it does,
I think this is the submarine place. Or the spaceship or something. Oh no, it looks like a plane. It's like a
yeah, there's a plane with missiles.
Here one. Bobby. He has entered the Twilight. Yeah, we're dead now.
Let's go.
We're dead now, man. We're dead now.
Let's go this way.
Where the hell are you? Okay.
Nothing bad can happen here. It's full of lollipops and candy canes.
Go this way.
This is gonna end horribly. I already saw it.
Yes, it is, and it always does.
Dun, 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 dun. By the way, my TV's blasting in my house, so
yeah, well,
so I'm gonna scream quite a bit.
Blast, so.
Oh,
and I'm gonna die horribly in this room. Oh, I heard that growl.
I heard a little shit. I'm gonna scream my ass off.
If I see him, I'm gonna die.
Oh, God. Don't run off like that.
Got it.
Asshole. Now he's gonna be looking for us.
Okay, I can't see the freaking door. Where's the door at?
Turn? Yep.
It seems like every time it gets more fuzzy every time I play it.
Actually, now I'm noticing that too.
I haven't seen it once this whole game.
You know, you should seriously shut up.
No, I want to get in front. You're the one with the flashlight. I'm the one in front, alright?
No, you should shut up before, like, you jinx yourself and me just
I
get
did
the
not
first
just jinx
encounter.
myself. Stop. What? Is he back there? Dude, why are you running away from me? I'm scared.
No.
You were leaving me behind.
No.
Wait, was he behind me or something?
No. That was so stupid. Oh, you said
Tape!
that was not pleasant.
Let's go through this
That
door.
was
Let's
not
just get out of here. Let's just... Why doesn't this dude just hop out of here or, like, grab a gun and sit in a room and be like, hey, fuck you, nigga! Oh, no, I mean, sorry. No, I don't like green. I don't like green things.
That scared me so bad.
I'm gonna die. Yes, I am. I haven't seen him this whole freaking game. I'm gonna die. What's this thing? Is that a vent? What's this thing leading up to? Okay.
Oh my god.
I think we should just camp in a
You're
corner now.
lucky you did not see what I saw.
Was he
That
right
scared
behind me?
so bad.
Was he doing
No.
pelvic thrusts again?
No! You turned the corner, he wasn't there, and then he was right behind you at a corner, and he was about to kill you, and I screamed my ass off. That was the most scariest thing. Oh.
Dude, I would have died right there. Wait, there's probably a
My brother in a room in my house just had a heart attack because of me yelling. Where is he? Is he turn around?
Nope. I can't see. Got it. He reset.
Well, he was next to you.
Oh god, it's playing the
Oh, wait, but we're gonna have to put it in when you're posting this video, you have to put a headphone warning because I yelled pretty loud there.
Oh, no. I yelled louder than you when I first saw him. Oh, okay. Oh, Bobby! I'm just dying.
Oh, that was mean.
No, I'm out of here. I'm off 100.
That was the equivalent of a jump scare. When
No,
he scared
stop
me.
following me!
I'm not turning around. That was the stupidest and gayest thing he's ever done to me. You know how when you're turning the corner and how you don't expect anything to be there? Well, I turned the corner to see him just standing there.
Can you search behind us, because my flashlight doesn't see that part.
Yeah.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? That was scary as shit right there. That noise was just like, and I'm like, oh, fuck, no, I'm out of fucking here. Bobby, I'm gonna die. I'm staying behind you. No, just keep looking around. Why is this time so scary? Bobby, can you check behind me?
Yeah, can you go forward?
Is he behind me? Is he on my back? Is he gonna kill me?
Oh god, that was the sound.
Where is he? Get it, dude.
Oh, this is not fun.
Holy crap! Bobby, come back in the hallway! Come back in the goddamn hallway!
Where?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Where are you?
I don't even know, and I'm gonna die. Why? Why?
Pops up, I'm gonna scream my ass. Wait, are you in the jail hallway?
I don't even know.
Turn your flashlight on. We actually need to find each other.
Wait. That room where you found the tape.
Yeah.
Okay, I see a jail cell. It's in a jail cell.
Hurry up, he's near me.
Where the hell are
Hey, I see you. I see you.
What the fuck? No! No! Stay the fuck away from me. Stay away from me. I don't like you. You're trying to save me and he just goes, nope. Denied. And I'm like, oh, fuck. I'm gonna die. Yes,
Oh my God,
I'm gonna die a horrible death because a stupid freaking guy wants to rape me in the night. Oh, I'm gonna fucking die. Oh God. Oh God, it's playing cliffhanger music. I'm gonna die. Okay.
Oh,
Woo.
now I know how those people feel when they play horror games.
I'm gonna die. You're awesome.
Oh my God, that scared me so bad.
I turn around and you're like, hey, turn around, I'm right here. And all of a sudden I turn around and you're just getting raped. And I'm like, oh, no. Oh, hell no.
I didn't see him.
What are you?
I didn't even see him. I'm being serious.
Where the hell
And he just popped up on my screen.
I still see your hand. You stupid freaking guy. I'm gonna charge him down.
Oh my God.
See what he does. Run! Oh God! I didn't think he would get me from around the corner.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's not fun.
Oh, holy shit.
That one loud scream by my guy.
I screamed so many times. I don't know if it counts in mic or not, so... yeah.
No.
Look at that. We split up. And we're like, hey, what's up, man?
Watch. It's gonna be the first right question mark.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Right here is where I saw him, and that scared me that bad. That's not fun.
Oh my God. What was that sound? I heard.
A sound scared me.
Look at
It was
Look
like.
at this. What the hell? We just split up like completely, and then you started following my tracks, and then went the opposite way, and then I get scared and died.
Oh.
Thank you all for tuning in for me getting destroyed and getting the shit scared out of me. Peace. See you guys next time.
Jump scared.